Ka jingwan jong I Dr. Conrad Sangma hapoh ka thain baka shinong Rangblang jong compound St. Mary's Higher Secondary School Rangblang kalalong ka job kumbaong hakakitin Latin veni vedi veci I came I saw I won ngalawan ngalayui bad ka program kalalong ka job I Chief Minister Bulan Borong ila kran slong tanat hadu kata ya ki biadai but ki khana school but ka imlang salang ila kubur ba ilong isirok kopi jong ka Salesian spirituality of Don Bosco harin ka program la yo ay gajing bam jalang but ila ya chika thain dolon ka compound jong ka parish maupat hagaba hangneru ila kran slong tanat halor ki paro ila kran bagi briu kila kran ben balai ai surok ka bha ye nung pendong henry imsham las ngap ye kini balai pen penaru pagani ka surok kan teng shidu ka thain rani ko ban suk kalai kawan but iong ba ka surok ka dei ka drips nam jong ka economy ka yo ka kon ye gi thain nong kendong ila pen penaru ya ka kanchi hydro project hakaba ensas lang limba ga jing snow tu lang bagi pai ba jong dong ka than ban pe gi jing gi jing wet ban pe gi tagi pros an kon baru ong ba pila submit ya kini ki memorandum bai la kerpat ban butin ye gani suma penjob ya I candidate badan buram iba karena sosyang kenang ban butin ye gani but en sapen ulong ya ga jing kwa jong dong ka than jong pi Tongin saki gani kulashibu.
Of today's program, on stage, our respected Father Principal, our respected MDC, our respected traditional head, RCM, and others who are present out here, our Reverend Fathers, Sisters, the teaching, the non-teaching staff, and most importantly, my dear students who are present out here today in this program. I never expected or never thought that so many of you will be out here. I was informed by Bakarnes that there's a different program out here, a program for lunch. And when I entered, I was pleasantly surprised to see so many of you, especially the young students who are here. I always believe that no matter what we do in life, God always has a plan for us. Today is a very special day for me. I have not had the opportunity to come to this part of the state, but God had plans to bring me here. And here I am. And I'm truly blessed and happy to be here, to meet all of you, to be able to see your area, your village, and the school. And just now one of our teachers has just mentioned that my late father, LIGHT-Tbeh Sangma, had also come here. And so this makes it even more special for me. So I really thank my dear friend Bakarnes, who is the local NDC, a very dynamic, yet a very humble person, a very approachable person. I thank him for bringing me here, inviting me here. We have a very long relationship with the Salesians. My father grew up with the Salesians. So he is almost like a Salesian father. So I am a photocopy Xerox of him. So I am also somewhere, some percentage solution is there. and the contribution that the Salesians have made to my family through our late father, to our people, to the society, is something that you can't imagine. And you can't, quantify it. So really this is a great blessing that here in this area, the Salesians have established such a wonderful setup. And so many students, they are being blessed because of that. So I won't take much time. I just want to tell the students, most importantly, that please consider yourself very lucky to get an opportunity to study in a school like this. Many, many children, I have gone throughout the state, I can tell you, many children don't get this chance. Yes, it may not be perfect. Yes, there will be a lot of hard work. Yes, the teachers will be very strict. Yes, the principal also may be very strict. But then, it is all being done for your benefit. To make you better people in life. To discipline you. To make you responsible citizens. God-fearing citizens. Citizens who will respect their elders. Citizens who will love their country. And that's what I would like to see each one of you become. And therefore I thank the fathers once again, the sisters, the faculty for giving all they can to their education. Take this opportunity, work hard, discipline yourself, and do well in life. I remember my late father, I'll leave you with a small thought. And I remember my late father used to always tell his students whenever he used to meet students, and I take this opportunity to repeat his lines. I get this very rare opportunity to do that. And he used to tell us, or the children, whenever he used to meet them, that you should always keep smiling, he used to say. No matter how difficult life is, a smile can take away all your tension and pressure. That's why I also smile a lot, because I have a lot of pressure and a lot of tension. So smiling is good. So he used to say, keep smiling. Then he used to say, keep working. Because when you're busy in life and you keep working and you keep doing things, you are not going to get into wrong things in life. Because you'll be so engaged and engrossed with work. We have to work. There is no compromise to work. So keep smiling and keep working, he used to tell us. And number 3, which is the most important, he used to say, keep smiling, keep working, and keep praying. Because without prayers, you will never succeed in life. You will never be able to, conquer the challenges that life brings for you. And therefore, prayer is very important in life. Connecting with God is important in life. Surrendering yourself to God is important in life. So I want to leave you with these 3 thoughts to my young students. Always keep smiling, always keep working, and always keep praying. I would like to also tell our father here, if there's anything that we can do to support. I was told that there is a memorandum, but I know what happens. I've been through this routine many times in my life. So I mean, it's a joke, father, but I have to say it. So what happens, I've seen that anywhere I go, normally people give the memorandum to me first. But whenever I go to Salesians or the fathers, anywhere, first they will feed you very well. After they feed you, then they'll give a long memorandum. Then I know, acha, that was the plan. So I think it's the same routine today also. So I'm expecting a big, long memorandum. So thank you so much. Father, it was just a joke. Right. That's the beauty of the solution, especially, and the work. Everything is systematic. Everything. How construction should take place, there's the same routine. What color should put, the same routine. How you should study, what time you should get up, everything is an SOP, as they call it, standard operating procedure. And that is why they're so good. And even memorandum application giving also, there's a SOP for that also. So anyway, I won't take much time. I think they've got too many programs after this also. So thank you so much for this wonderful reception, for these wonderful gifts that you've given to me. This will be very special to me and I will always remember it. So I wish you all the very best. May God bless each and every one of you. Thank you very much.
With the government closely. I don't know if any other chief minister has come to this location before Mopat area. Maybe I am the first or the second, I'm not sure. But there is a reason why I'm here. There's a plan from above that I must come here to see this place, to realize and understand the difficulties that people are facing. And I'm thanking Karnes and others for having made me come here. He was very particular. He said, sir, don't be like other politicians. I will look into this. This is one of my top priorities to ensure that the Wakaji Ranikor road is taken up. I am also happy to inform you that there is a very, very strong possibility for the Kinshi project also. I think somebody has mentioned out here about the Kinshi project also, that along with the local people's consent, along with taking all the local people into confidence, if there is a consensus, in fact, we just had a meeting last month on this with our officers and with our minister, and this is something that we will be soon able to announce some way ahead. But as I said, provided the local people are with us, provided people want this to happen, we'll be happy to take this forward. And I am working very closely, as I said, with departments to take this up. There's a tax from them, so we will be giving you money to buy music instruments, because I saw you were singing but there was no guitar also. I don't know whether it was purpose or whether it was not there, but I noticed. So I want to give music instruments to you because I want you to learn those music instruments. I want you to take interest in music and sports, so that you should stay away from the bad things in life. Do the good things like music, like sports, like other social activities. That is what I want to promote. So for the young students who sang the beautiful song, as I said, I'll be giving 2 lakh rupees for my Chief Minister's special grant. Buy guitars, buy drums, buy keyboard and learn more music.